Recently, I have seen a lot of people inquiring or searching about IJK color diamonds, which are diamonds that have some presence of color in it, mainly yellowish color. These are diamonds graded by GIA, and I can show you from lighter to darker that how intense the color can get. This is a slightly tinted, brown tinted I color diamond. Moving on the right side is a J color, then a K and L color diamond. What I'm trying to show you is diamond placed in a shade card, a white shade card, which is the real way of seeing a diamond, which most of the consumers are not able to see it. So I help them see these diamonds in the right way, so they know exactly what they're going to buy. I help them source these diamonds right from wholesalers so that they get best of the deal, and with my expert inspection they get to know what they are buying. So it can be of any size, shape. I am there to offer them guidance, source it so they buy it safer, cheaper and better. Getting back to the topic is knowing these colors. Now these are graded by GIA, so if you so if it can vary, the color grade can vary from lab to lab. Placing the diamond on my finger, you can see it barely makes any difference to the naked eye, even if it is 3-4 grades apart. This is how they look in real light condition, daylight condition. And the leftmost is a L color, and the biggest on the rightmost is a I color diamond. So you can see, if you are buying these type of diamonds, you know how they are going to look in real, these diamonds. So watch out for real information, live expertly information, so you know exactly how your diamonds are going to be, because these things matter a lot. Knowing before you buy, knowing from an expert, getting the right guidance, how the yellowishness is there in the diamond. And I don't want you to be surprised when you receive the diamond and you're upset about not having it, something that you or having something that you really don't want. So get your diamond known first and then make your decision. I help my viewers, buyers, buy these diamonds with expertly information, so they are happy with their purchase. They can be from any part of the world. I share live updated information. So if you have any such inquiry, then reach out to me. I'll be very happy to offer you right information so you know what exactly you're going to buy. You can reach me in the below given description. Follow me on YouTube or Instagram, Facebook to keep in touch with me. Thank you.